What up, everybody? I hope you're feeling good, feeling great. I'm feeling on top of the world. Probably because I'm so high up, I am pretty close to the top of the world. We are back in Hunza. The adventure continues. Major shout out to Gozayan, Pakistan's #1 travel provider, for sponsoring this trip and making it possible. Make sure to check them out for flights, tours, trips, guides, anything you need in Pakistan. Gozayan has you covered. We are on our way to Sost. Yeah. We're going to Sost, but right now, and again, this is Muzadir. He's the best guide in Pakistan, the ultra guide. Yeah, tell us where we are, man, because what does that say? Hazir Imam?
Hazir Imam. It's like he's a spiritual leader of the Shia Ismaili sect of the Muslims.
Okay.
And this place right here is called Khyber. Khyber is like famous for, well, these things. These are the dry fruits, apples,
dried fruits,
almonds,
oils,
wow, butter, and
look at this. Wow. So bad news, I'm allergic to apples.
Seriously?
So I can't eat apples.
Oh my God.
I also have a minor allergy to almonds. But I will eat one almond. What is this though? We can...
these are like dry apricots.
I can eat apricots. Yeah. I can eat 1 billion of those. And what fruit is this?
This is a yak. This grows on small trees, like they're like tiny trees.
Okay, man. Okay. So when we made our drive up into the Hunza Valley, yeah, as we got up and up more and more, the trees diminished. It got more brown. But here we got so many trees and they're so colorful. Like, tell us a little bit about...
Well, that's because these have been cultivated by the locals, right? So the locals have like, there is a saying about Hunza, there are less apples and more apple trees in Hunza. So like the locals, they planted all these trees in their homes and everything. And those trees which you see, the long trees, the tall trees, they are called the popular trees.
Popular trees.
So these grow like almost everywhere. These are perfect for this altitude, right? So that's why you see so many of these. And the most beautiful you'll see them is in autumn.
Autumn.
These are walnut trees.
And if you can't tell by the trees, we are in the thick of autumn. It is late October here in the Hunza Valley, and they're cruising. Who wants to drive fast through this valley? I want to go slow and check out all the beauty. So we're gonna get some dried fruit here, yeah, and then we're gonna make our way to Sost. Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum and good morning.
Aap kaise hai?
Karam Allah ka.
Acha. I hear you have amazing dried fruits.
Sorry, I'm not speaking English.
It's okay. But you said they have yak meat too.
Yeah.
Wow.
Not here though, in the hotel.
Look at all the different things he's got here. He's got cherry jam, walnuts. What is here? What is this?
These are the roots of like walnut trees. These are like called dandasa. Dandasa, or in other words, miswak. These are very good for the teeth. Like you
like
brush
chew
your
them?
teeth. No, you brush your teeth.
Oh, interesting.
So these
and they make them white or clean?
Yeah, they clean them. They strengthen your gums as well.
Wacky. Okay, never heard of that.
This one is thyme.
Thyme.
This one, huh?
Oh, sure. Classic herb.
What
What the heck is this stuff?
Mulberry.
Mulberry. I've never had mulberries.
These are very good.
And black one is cherry.
Cherries. Okay, I'm also allergic to cherries.
Really?
Yeah.
You have a lot of allergies.
I know, man. But let's get some apricots.
Apricot.
Let's try mulberries. And oh, is this a mix?
Yeah.
Maybe we get a mix. Maybe
nine different items mix.
9 different items.
Yeah.
Maybe that's the best way. And then are these okay? These are apricots too?
Yeah, all of these are apricots of different qualities, I guess.
Different colors and qualities. Okay.
I have 9-10 different varieties apricot.
9 to 10 varieties of apricots?
And this one
I
is
was
not
only aware of
organic.
one.
This one is not organic.
Not organic.
And
We want organic.
This one is all is organic. This one 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 is organic.
Amazing. Okay, we want
And
organic
more,
for sure.
More varieties in my store.
In your store, okay.
Yeah.
Aapka naam kya hai?
Abbas Ali.
Abbas Ale. Nice to... Whoa, a secret door! What? No way. Wow, secret entrance.
This one is different variety, and this one is top quality. This one is top quality.
Top quality. We want top quality.
And this one is second quality.
Second quality, no site. We only want top quality here. How are the apples, guys?
Fantastic.
Acha apple? How do you say apple in Urdu?
Save.
Save. Okay, and we're going inside and we picked out some figs, which are about 1,000 rupees a kilogram, so very expensive, but they're good. And then there were the organic apricots, but we wanted to go get the super organic secret hidden door apricots. So these were like 600 rupees. Mega deals, I guess.
And another purpose.
This is salajit,
Yeah.
and you said it's good for.
The joints, the bones, to strengthen the bones and the joints, and some people have back pain, so they mix it up a little bit. They mix it up in the milk and drink it.
In like a powder?
Yeah, it's like a powder.
Oh, interesting.
Like they'll change this into a powder form.
This one is processed.
Processed
This is
salad.
original
Oh,
salad,
wow.
yeah. So it's
That looks like a
completely-
fossilized like piece of poo. But
One time use
This much, yeah.
use this much.
Yeah, you mix it up with the
And you
milk,
grind it.
in more milk, and you
not
drink
grind it. Put in
You
hard
put it-
milk.
Yeah.
Okay.
You put it in milk, you mix it up, and it just dissolves in the
Can I
milk.
have this little piece? Can
Yeah.
I? Okay, I'm gonna take that and put it in my pocket. We'll see. We'll see if it gets lost in the mix. And then he's got like little like what are those? Like,
These I got tumuro.
turmeric.
Tumuro.
No, this is saffron.
Saffron, one of the most
Tumuro.
expensive spices in the world, the most expensive spice in the world. Okay, and we're gonna try our first bite of Hunza chocolate as well. It's made with almonds and
No, it's made with walnuts.
walnuts. Okay, it looks like it might break my teeth. I'm gonna go
Well,
slow.
put in grape juice, cherry juice, and mulberry juice.
Mm.
Three different juices.
Oh,
Mix it.
that's quite good.
It's very hard because of the cold weather.
Because it's cold.
Otherwise it's like
Wow.
melts in your mouth.
How do you even describe it? It's so good. It's super nutty. Big nut. That's really good flavor. It's not like caramely or it's not. It's just good. It's just like a walnut candy. I've never had anything like this. I'll put a big bite in and let it melt a little bit. That's good. It's like caramel corn. Amazing. Wow. Asha, tons of chocolate. Really nice. Wow. How to even describe that flavor? The tiniest little bit of sweetness with that walnut flavor is really shining. Shukriya, my friend. Very good. I was today years old when I realized I'm allergic to apricots. Wah wah. Well, these guys, those won't go to waste. The guys here will eat them. But the figs were good. Yeah, I just get like a little tingly thing in my throat. Okay, check this out. We got some yak skins over here. Yakety yak, don't talk back. I just wanted to stop in a second. We're still going to Soest. Soest, right? That's what it's called. Soest. And I just wanted to show off these like trees and these colors
This place
and
is
the
called
mountains.
Galapan.
Halapan,
Galapan.
Gulapan.
Yeah, it's famous because they call it the mini Switzerland because of how the trees are placed.
The mini Switzerland, very fitting. Wow. Yeah, I just wanted to stop off here and show y'all some more of the beauty. It just doesn't hit the same way when you're in the car and you're taking a video or a picture at all. So they're selling these yak skins. Oh boy. Probably won't be buying one of those on this trip, but they look like they'd keep you warm. And welcome to Soest. We'll be doing the most in Soest. Me and Mudasir over here. Oh, that rhymed too. Wow. We're rapping today. All right, my friend, you were telling me that this is kind of the gateway to the Pak-China border where a
Yeah.
lot of imported China goods come?
Yeah, and they're taken to a place where a depot sort of thing where all of those containers are unloaded and they're then loaded again to other trucks and they're like carried down to Islamabad or the cities where that's their final destination. And from here, Pakistan, a lot of goods from Pakistan are carried from here to China as well, like gemstones, like
The marble that we talked
the
about
marble we
yesterday?
talked about.
Okay.
And,
So an import-export hub.
yeah, it's an export import. It's like the central market, the central chain. Like everyone from every place, like from all over Kyrgyzstan who has any import export from China borders, they will be here.
Cool. And so we've come here to get some breakfast because the hotel didn't have breakfast till 8 o'clock this morning. We were on the move. So we're gonna actually try some Hunza food today. I hope some real northern food. Our driver, he's gonna get the car washed because it looks better than it did this morning.
Yeah, it
But it took a lot of battle damage yesterday. He's gonna get the car washed, and I think we're gonna walk around the market.
Yeah.
Maybe do some shopping. Maybe get myself a hat because it's gonna be a little cold these next couple days. All right, we're trying our first shot at food at the Soest Cafe, but it is kind of early, I'm being told, so they might not have food. But these guys got something to eat. We might just have to tragically settle for the classic paratha and omelet breakfast. But I got my hopes high. I saw a sign for Yak Nahari. Yak Nahari on the way here. That sounds tasty. I didn't really research a lot of Hunza foods because I wanted to be surprised and pretty much letting up to my guide here to figure out what we're gonna eat. Assalamu alaikum, brother. आपका नाम क्या है? आप कैसे हैं? Acha, nice to meet you, my friend. And this is where it's going down. We're gonna get some chai. We're gonna get a dish that Mudasir is gonna explain in just a minute when it comes. While we wait for our food, these are the containers that bring the goods to the Pak-China border and then bring them back. You know, your typical semi-truck. Holland. Mudasir is telling us that the best thing about Soest, besides the views, of course, and hopefully the food, look at those trees over there. Unreal, y'all. Is that we get the first dibs on the imports from China, eh?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, so wow, we got the direct North Face stuff. Am I gonna have to buy a blanket like this because my hotel won't give me a second blanket?
We'll make sure they give you another one today.
Wow, we got the shoes, we got are these some Yeezys? Jackets, wow, sweaters. Assalamu alaikum. Well, I'm not sure where the employee is. Got those nice shawls and blankets. Might need one of those for the car. I'm looking for a hat though. I think a hat is what we're trying to get here. Welcome to the hat hunt, the Soest hat hunt. What are we gonna find? Assalamu alaikum. Aap kaise hai? Alhamdulillah. Acha. Mudasir needs to buy himself a jacket. Oh, hat hunt. Oh, what do we got? We got the South Face, and then we got this thing. This is all we got? Beggars can't be choosers, I guess. These ones have a nice fleece lining in them. What do you think color I would look better in? Gray or brown, sir?
This would bring out your hair.
I think so. This one's I'm not a fan of gray. I look depressed and feel depressed in gray, and only good vibes in Soest. Only good vibes in Soest. What, even got like dress shirts up there?
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna try this thing on. Mind holding this for a second?
So, here you go.
I have a gigantic head. Oh, it's got a little Puma logo there. Let's see what. What do we think? What do we think?
That is good.
Looks good.
That does look good.
All right, time to make a deal. Oh, I like it. Yeah, you can feel this metal piece on the inside. It's like freezing cold and like poking me. We'll probably rip that off at some point, but let's see what we can get for a deal here. All right, we didn't even have to bargain or negotiate. The flat price was 300 rupees, which was more than a mega deal. That's like $1.50 USD. How we looking? All right, Soest shopping trip complete. That was easy. And now let's go eat some food. Let's go meet him. Assalamu alaikum. Hello.
Hello.
Where are you guys from?
From Spain.
Spain. Oh, I love Spain.
And you?
Love the tapas.
You?
Spain. Paella.
Tapas.
Paella. Yes, beer.
On beach.
On beach. How long are you traveling through Pakistan?
Training.
In 3 days we come back to Spain.
Back to Spain. So
Yes,
how long?
but 2 weeks more or less.
2 weeks. Have you enjoyed it?
Yes.
Yes.
But for her is his first time here.
First, okay.
Yeah.
But nice 8th time.
8th. Wow, you love Pakistan, man.
Yes, but in this place I never in Hunza never been.
First time in Hunza. My
Yes.
first time in Pakistan. My first time in Hunza. It's beautiful.
But in-
Assalamu alaikum. Here comes dish number 1, the classic chana. I'm saying that right. Chana, not chane? Chane or chana? Okay, so either works.
Yeah.
I've been in Pakistan 80 days. I still don't get all the words always right. So, chana or the chane. That looks really good. And
The pronunciation is always very difficult.
good flavor coming off it. And check it out, Mudasir brought the secret ingredient, the mulberry jam. We're about to lather these bad boys up. They're gonna caress the paratha with the mulberry jam. I almost got my hand slapped because they saw that I put the spoon next to the chana and they're like, no. You absolutely have to eat it with the paratha. I know. It doesn't matter how long I'm in Pakistan, I'll never adjust to eating with my hands. I'm just a fork and spoon guy. Mostly because I don't want like getting the camera all greasy. Pow. Good chana. Not too spicy. Flavorful. Not a lot of spice. And the chai has arrived. Chai time again. Every couple days I'm like, oh, I'm done. I'm never gonna have chai again. but now in a cold place, I'm like, I'll have some more chai. I am a coffee bro though. I'm a coffee guy way more than a chai guy. Oh, and get a big scoop of that mulberry jam. Wow, that stuff is thick. Woo. Look at that consistency on there. It's like molasses. Wow. Oh man, very, very excited for this. I don't even know how I want to tackle this. Let's see if we can. Oh yeah, wow. Look at it. That was the perfect like smear on there. Pow. Oh. Super sweet. It goes really well with like the oily buttery paratha. That's a hitter. Wow, that's a really good jam. It's so sweet. No real tanginess in it or sourness. I'm in love. More mulberry jam, please. That was nice, brother. Good pickup. And whoa, what are we working with here? What is the name of this, sir?
This is called Dowdo.
Dowdo.
Dowdo. Like a WDAW. Dowdo. So like the special thing about this Dowdo is like this was like in the ancient times this was brought in from China or the Tibetan side, and this is actually traditionally made with flour. Like you make a long plate of flour and you cut it into small noodle-like pieces, and you make the soup out of this. Right?
Got it, and that's beef?
Yeah, that's beef.
Oh, naan time. All right, wow.
But this is like a modern touch to it because rather than using making the noodles themselves, they've like brought in the spaghetti or macaronis.
Yeah, see the spaghetti and macaroni noodles. So not the traditional Dowdo. All right, it's time for my first sip of the Dowdo. Here we go. I'm gonna get some of that broth in there. Gonna get some of the noodles. Pow. A little hot. A little hot. Pow. One more hot. One more hot. Pow. Not a fan. Oily broth. Not too salty. The noodles are just noodles. Really no seasonings. Really no flavor in here at all. A little bit of chicken piece. I didn't like it. Not my favorite. But it's warm. And everyone's looking at me. But yeah, no, I'm not a fan. Maybe the traditional one would be a little bit better, but no, I'm sorry. No, thank you. All right, our driver Sabed needs to buy some socks. And we got, these are big, thicky boys. Really nice socks. Man, I only brought one long pair of socks with me. I might have to pick up a pair of these too. These are like high ankle. These are super soft and thick. Not quite wool, and we got more like a woman's type of sock there. What's this guy selling? Assalamu alaikum. Aap kaise hai? Acha. Oh, he's doing some work on some shoes over here. A little repair work. You got like the shoelaces and stuff. All right, our man got a pair of socks for only 80 rupees. And that's that. It's your host with the most from Soest, giving a toast and saying goodbye. Well, I mean, it's ciao for now, of course, we already know that. But yeah, Soest, pretty cool. Loved getting the dry fruit, loved seeing the trees, loved looking at the mountains. Enjoyed the paratha, enjoyed the chane. Didn't really enjoy I'm just gonna call it the Dumbo soup. I didn't enjoy the Dumbo soup. But my name's Brent Tim from Soest, and I'm saying ciao for now.